Could Intel stock be gearing up for one of the biggest comebacks in tech history? Is Intel stock about to surpass expectations and dominate the semiconductor industry once again? If these questions excite you, stay tuned because we've got an in-depth look at Intel Stock News, the latest Intel Stock Analysis, and why Intel Corporation might be one of the best investment opportunities right now. If that sounds like something you're interested in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update about Intel Stock News Today, Intel Stock Review, or any future deep dives into the stock market. Your engagement really helps the channel grow and ensures we can keep delivering top-notch content to help you stay informed. A quick overview of Intel Corporation, INTC. Before diving into the exciting possibilities for Intel stock, let's first take a moment to understand the company behind it. Intel Corporation, or Intel Incorporation as some refer to it, has been a cornerstone of the tech industry for decades. Known for its dominance in the semiconductor market, Intel Corporation has powered countless devices around the world with its innovative processors. However, the rise of competitors like AMD and NVIDIA has created significant challenges for Intel Corporation in recent years, causing Intel share prices to fluctuate. Despite these hurdles, Intel Corporation has not stood still. The company has embarked on a journey of reinvention, focusing on advanced manufacturing techniques, AI integration, and expanding its reach into emerging markets. These bold moves are what make Intel stock such an exciting prospect today. Why Intel stock could be the next big thing. Let's talk about why Intel stock price might be poised for significant growth. Recent Intel stock news points to several key factors that could fuel a major rally for Intel stock Nasdaq in the near future. 1. Cutting-edge technology initiatives. One of the most exciting developments at Intel Corporation is its investment in next-generation semiconductor technology. The company has announced plans to roll out cutting-edge manufacturing processes, including advanced chip architectures that could leapfrog the competition. This is a game-changer for Intel stocks, as it positions the company to regain market share lost to AMD and NVIDIA. With global demand for semiconductors skyrocketing, Intel Corporation's ability to meet that demand with innovative solutions is a huge reason why investors are paying close attention to Intel Stock News Today. 2. Solid financials and revenue growth. Even amidst tough competition, Intel Incorporation has continued to deliver solid financial performance. In its latest earnings report, Intel Corporation highlighted strong revenue streams from its data center and PC businesses. These segments remain core drivers for Intel shares, and their consistent growth adds a layer of stability to the Intel stock price. Additionally, the company's ability to generate cash flow allows it to reinvest in R&D and maintain its attractive Intel stock dividend. For investors looking for a combination of growth and income, Intel stock dividend yields are a compelling reason to consider Intel shares. 3. Global expansion and strategic partnerships. Intel Corporation is not only focusing on technology, but also expanding its global footprint. Recent partnerships in AI development, cloud computing, and 5G technology have solidified Intel Incorporation's position as a leader in these fast-growing industries. This is great news for the Intel stock price, as it highlights the company's ability to adapt and thrive in a rapidly changing landscape. The latest Intel Stock News Today also reports on Intel Corporation's investments in new production facilities, including multi-billion-dollar fabs in the US and Europe. These investments are not only critical for meeting future demand, but also for securing supply chain stability, a major concern for the semiconductor industry in recent years. Breaking down the numbers. Intel Stock Analysis. Let's dive deeper into the numbers driving Intel stocks. As of today, the Intel stock price remains undervalued compared to its peers. Analysts are optimistic that this gap presents a significant buying opportunity for long-term investors. Key metrics to watch in this Intel stock analysis include the company's P/E ratio, dividend payout ratio, and cash flow generation. Compared to its competitors, Intel Incorporation offers a strong value proposition for those looking to capitalize on the semiconductor industry's growth. Recent Intel Stock News Today also highlights a surge in institutional investor activity. Hedge funds and mutual funds are increasing their positions in Intel shares, a strong indicator of confidence in the company's future prospects. Intel Stock Forecast. What's next for Intel? Looking ahead, the Intel Stock Forecast suggests that Intel Corporation is on the verge of a major turnaround. Analysts are predicting steady growth in the Intel stock price as the company executes its strategic initiatives. Key catalysts for future growth include the rollout of advanced chip technologies, which could regain market share, expansion into high-growth markets like AI and 5G, a continued focus on shareholder returns through dividends and stock buybacks. It's also worth noting that geopolitical factors, such as government incentives for domestic semiconductor production, could further boost Intel shares. These incentives make Intel stock Nasdaq a key player in reducing global dependence on foreign chipmakers. Risks to consider with Intel stocks. While the future looks promising, it's important to consider the risks associated with Intel shares. The semiconductor industry is highly competitive, and delays in product launches or supply chain disruptions could impact the Intel stock price. Additionally, while Intel Corporation has made strides in innovation, catching up to AMD and NVIDIA will require flawless execution. Investors should keep a close eye on upcoming earnings reports and Intel Stock News Today for updates on the company's progress. Should you buy Intel stock? In summary, Intel stock represents a unique opportunity in today's market. With a strong legacy, innovative plans for the future, and an attractive Intel stock dividend, Intel shares are poised for a comeback that could surprise even the most skeptical investors. If you're looking for a mix of growth potential and stability, Intel stock might be the perfect addition to your portfolio. As always, make sure to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Intel stock analysis, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on Intel stock news, Intel stock Nasdaq, and the latest trends in the market.